If you're looking for that modern tropical house that gets great breezes, wildlife corridor, large terrace, open floor plan, big pool, check out my new listing. So I'm Richard with Osa Tropical Properties, and this listing has so many positives. We're gonna try to run through them all in this video. The first one, as you can see, we have this big, spacious floor plan. This house was just recently remodeled and it was opened up to give us this great open space. Nice thing about this is the air is moving through here all day long. Out every window we're looking through, you just notice the beautiful jungle. You're gonna get to be able to watch the wildlife moving through the trees here. This is an animal corridor. I have sat here several times with the owners as the white-faced monkeys, howler monkeys moving through the trees. Right now, you've got the toucan in the background. This house just really lays out well for a modern jungle house. As I said, this whole house was just renovated. We have new quartz countertops. We have new laurel cabinetry and brand new appliances in your kitchen, which leads out to your terrace seamlessly to your outdoor dining. From here, you enjoy all the great breezes, the beautiful property. You're looking at 5,000 square meters of usable space, which equates to 1.25 acres. So there's already a lot of fruit trees on the property. We have mango, water apple, we have coconut trees, and there's lots of room to plant many more. So this house has 3 bedroom, 3 bath. Each bedroom has its own bathroom. The master, this is one of my favorite things about the house, is this outdoor shower bathtub area. One of the great things about this house is that you're not gonna see any other homes close to you. There is a house up the hill here and a house at the end of the street. We are the second house from the end of the street. It's gonna be very, very private all the time. This is no problem to take your shower out here, take your bath out here, and just enjoy the jungle, watch the wildlife, watch it rain in the rain season, sitting out here. This is my favorite part about this house. Of course, we also have double vanity and your master bathroom inside the house as well. Another great feature of this property is the long pool. This is great for getting in, actually getting some swimming in. A lot of times, newer homes, you're gonna see a much smaller pool. This is an older home. Like I said, it was just been renovated. However, they do have the original size pool here where you can actually get in and get some exercise. It's got great landscaping all around it. This is a great outdoor area to spend your afternoons. So another thing that people are looking for is storage space. What we have underneath the terrace, the whole size of the terrace up underneath, we can use for storage. The pool pump is also inside. They do have lights in here. You can get to all your plumbing and electrical from up underneath here as well, which makes it very easily accessible. In the event you did run into a problem, it's much easier to work on, and you have all this extra space down below. You can see down below here as well, you're gonna have your water filters, you're gonna have your backup water tank, and just your pool pump and storage for anything else you might need. So we have lots of garden space. We have 1.25 acres or 5,000 square meters. You can see behind me, we've got a mango tree. We've got the coconut trees. Well, there's a coconut and there is a peepa tree here. You can see the stand-up planters behind me. This is a great area if you wanted to put a greenhouse or just to do any other gardening. This is something that can really occupy your time here if, let's say you're using this as a retirement home, but even still you have this large private garden. It's a great spot for your kids to come and play. There's plenty of room for them to run around just to enjoy nature and enjoy the garden. You have all this space and you can see behind me how the breeze moves through here. This is what you're gonna get every day, just that fresh breeze moving through the house. This is modern tropical living. I have seen several international buyers make mistakes when purchasing here in Costa Rica. They buy the dream before checking to make sure all the documents in order. Things like water rights, what they're planning on building before they understand the zoning. They assume that every structure on the property that they purchased was permitted, and that very well may not have been the case. The buyers that have the best experience here in Costa Rica understand what they're getting into before they get into it, and they are the most prepared to make a qualified decision.